Hello everybody, it's English Omega. Here's my eyeglass. Here. It's really good eyeglass. It's not too much blurred. And see, here's the camera. Just like something. And it's really good, it's really cute. Um, and it's Bugs Bunny. If I don't know if you can read it. Let's see. Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny. There is a Bugs Bunny. The white, this one, this one, Bugs Bunny. And yeah, it's really good. And I love this eyeglass. Okay, and I hope you like the video and bye.